Hi, Stephen Douglas. This is a little short review for Pritam. I met Pritam on the Amazing ClickFunnels, one of their group support Facebook pages, and I was reaching out to see how I could build a better funnel to make sure it was absolutely spot on for my customers. Pritam, I interviewed 15, I think it was. People contact me, and I got down to 3, and I chose Pritam. And right from the word go, his communication is brilliant. His English is excellent. He normally works on Messenger, which is fine. His emails are quick. He's ahead of time. He's on the game. We built a landing page for a sales funnel, which included a checkout page, long page, typical Russell Brunson, a long funnel with a checkout page, beautifully done. I had my ideas because I had the original funnel, but what Pritam did was basically take those ideas and structure it in a way that would be more understanding for the client, and it is now, which is excellent. In terms of deliverables, I say he's ahead of schedule. He delivered on time. If I made any suggestions, we would always work together and question those. We had Zoom meetings, we had FaceTime meetings. Nothing was too much trouble for him to ensure that the job was done, and it was done perfectly. And I threw some curveballs in there, which he probably wasn't expecting, but he delivered every time. So I would have no hesitation in recommending Pritam for any funnel building, even his design work. I even asked him to do some design works for ebooks, and he just smashes out the park. And that was over and above the call of the actual agreement. So 100% top man, top bloke for your funnels, highly recommended.